Using Flxpoint for dropshipping can streamline your operations by integrating inventory management and order fulfillment. Here's how to get started. Create an account. Visit the Flxpoint website and sign up for an account. Fill in the required information to set up your profile. Integrate your e-commerce platforms. After logging in, connect Flxpoint to your e-commerce platforms by following the integration prompts. This allows Flxpoint to sync your inventory and orders across multiple channels. Set up supplier connections. Navigate to the supplier management section to add your dropshipping suppliers. Input their details and link your accounts to streamline order processing. Browse products. Use Flxpoint's product catalog to find items from your suppliers. You can filter by category, price, and availability to choose products that fit your niche. Import products. Once you've selected products, import them to your store. Customize titles, descriptions, and prices to align with your brand. Manage orders. When customers place orders, Flxpoint automates the fulfillment process by sending order details directly to your suppliers. Monitor shipments and inventory levels through the dashboard.